Russia is modernizing its Tu-160 Blackjack bomber, known as the Tu-160M2, with a relaunch of Kazan production. Hi, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will discuss the recent upgrade of the Russian Tu-160 Blackjack bomber, designated as Tu-160M2. But before we start, hit the subscribe button and like our video. Thanks. This strategic bomber, the largest, heaviest, and fastest in the world, will see improvements in weaponry, electronic warfare systems, and onboard equipment. Despite its impressive capabilities, including Mach speed and powerful Kuznetsov NK-32 engines, the original Tu-160 faced maintenance problem. This modernization effort highlights Russia's intention to strengthen its strategic air capabilities amid ongoing geopolitical tensions. Russia is working on the modernization of its Blackjack bomber, the largest and heaviest aircraft in the world, capable of flying at Mach 2. The improved Tu-160, known as the Tu-160M2, built on a restarted production line in Kazan. Known by NATO as the White Swan, Tu-160 Blackjack is a supersonic variable sweep heavy strategic bomber and nuclear-capable airborne missile platform. Designed by the Tupolev Design Bureau, the Tu-160 was introduced in 1987, shortly before the fall of the Soviet Union. It is intended to use both conventional and nuclear weapons to strike targets in remote regions. It is the fastest bomber in service and the largest and heaviest variable-wing aircraft ever used. To power an airframe, the Tu-160 also relies on 4 NK-32 afterburning turbofan engines, which are the most powerful engines never mounted on a combat aircraft. It can fly 12,000 kilometers, 7,500 miles, non-stop, without refueling. Reaching heights of 16,000 meters, it reaches a top speed of 2,220 kilometers per hour. About 30% of the Tu-160's airframe is made of titanium, a light and exceptionally strong alloy, but weighs about 110 tons empty. The swing wing hinge alone weighs 6 tons. 4 crew members are required to fly the Tu-160, pilot, a co-pilot, a bomber, and a defensive operator. The Tu-160 was one of the last weapons systems delivered to the Soviet Union. During the fall of the USSR, Kiev inherited half of the Soviet fleet of Tu-160s stationed in Ukraine. Russia negotiated the repurchase of part of the lost, while the remaining aircraft were destroyed. Ukrainian aircraft made up a significant portion of the Tu-160 total, as the aircraft was never mass-produced. Until modernization efforts are undertaken, 9 test airframes and 27 mass-produced airframes already flown. The impact of the Tu-160M2 on the country's military efforts, in particular in Ukraine, remains uncertain, given the nation's track record of delayed arms deliveries. What do you think about Tu-160 used intensively in Ukraine? Will it affect the outcome of the war? Write your comment below. Thank you for watching. Like our video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.